Hi! In front of me is Nothing Phone 2, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password added to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Following that, tap on any of your added passwords. I will go with my Messenger one. And enter your current login method. Then select Edit button next to the Delete one and alter all of those informations however you want to. I will change my password. Then hit Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!